Okay, so guys, have you ever wanted that whenever somebody opens any application or your computer or your laptop, you will get notified for that? Yeah guys, this is the thing. This is the thing I've been searching for years guys, because I wanted to get notified whenever somebody opens WhatsApp on my laptop. Yeah guys, WhatsApp on my laptop. So I made a simple script which works like this. As you all can see, I have an WhatsApp icon on my desktop, and whenever somebody opens it, like here I opened it and CMD pops up. And as you can see in my mobile phone, I get notified that somebody opened fake WhatsApp on your laptop, because this is not the real WhatsApp. It is because of the purpose that if anybody wanted to open WhatsApp on my laptop, they will see this icon, and whenever somebody opens that, I will get notified for that. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can also do that with any kind of application you want, so that you can get notified whenever you're out of your home and whenever somebody opens your laptop in your absence and do some nasty stuff, right? So yeah guys, let's start this video. So guys, first of all, let me tell you, this is very easy to do. You just have to do one thing. Create a new folder. Like I will create it by the name of WeCoder. Okay. I will open it, and I will open it with the VS Code or any type of editor you want. Create an application with Python app.py. Now we have a Python application to start with. So first of all, let me tell you how all of this works. So whenever somebody opens this WhatsApp, what happens is, let me tell you, whenever somebody opens this application on my PC, it triggers a script, and the script sends the data, sends the message to Discord. Yeah guys, to Discord. My mobile has Discord installed, and I receive a message on my Discord account, on my Discord server to be specific. So yeah, first of all, you need a Discord server for that. If you have Discord server, then it's okay, but if you don't have, then you can just sign into Discord and create a server. So in my case, let me open Discord on my laptop. As you all can see, this is my server. This server is named WeCoders server. So guys, this server will receive the message in this case, because my previous server, as you all can see, data server, this is the server. I receive this messages whenever somebody opens WhatsApp. Like if I tell you, let me open it again. As you can see, the message is sent to my Discord account or my server to be specific. So yeah, you just have to get to your server. What you have to do is send a message. Yeah guys, just send a message. I'll send a message. Hello, I am creating a script. Open your inspect tab and go to network, then send the message. Like go to network and then press enter to send the message, and you'll see a request, XHR request is sent. So just open this, and as you all can see, you have an request URL. Copy the URL, go to VS Code and make a variable code URL, and then paste that particular link. Okay, so this is the channel we want to send our message to, but as you all know, we need an authorization token to do that, right? Not everybody can do that by just having the link. We need a token which is used for authorization. So when you go to request headers, you'll see the authorization token. And let me tell you guys, this token is very sensitive. You guys must not give this token to anybody, because this token can be used to get access to your account. Paste that token. So right now the authorization token is also placed, and let me tell you guys, this is pretty much it. So now let's go with the script. Now let's go with the logic. So you have to import a module name requests. You have the URL and auth also. Now just do one thing, make another variable which we will call payload. Then in the payload, we will have to get the content, right? In the payload, here is the content, right? So we have to provide the content here. We are just making the request using Python guys, to be simple. This is very simple thing to do. So I'll go with content. Why am I typing payload? Content, then you can type any message you want. You can also get the date and time and stuff like that. You can do anything. So I'll just go with the script works. Okay, so it's done now. And now just send the request. Yeah guys, this is it guys. Now send the request. But for the request to be sent, you need a header for that. So we'll make another variable which we will call header. Then the authorization, because this is the major thing to send. So you have to give the auth variable to it. And now just send the request. Response equal to requests dot post, because this is a post request. Post the request to the URL, then the payload, then the header will be equal to header. Yeah guys, this is it. This is our script to do that. To check this, just open the terminal, and I'll open it side by side so you guys can see it. So here we go. Now I'll go with Python 3 app.py and press enter. So we received an error because Python 3 is nothing here. So we'll go with Python. So enter press. So yeah, here we go guys. The script works. It means it is sending the request using Python. So now what we have to do is whenever somebody opens the application, we just have to invoke this script, right? So now you can do one thing. Go to your folder. I'll make it large so you can see. As you can, this is our application we want to run. What you can do is you can just create a new bat script. So I will go with game.bat, press enter, then open it in your Sublime Text or any editor you want. So to make the script, you just have to type echo off. This is how bat scripts work. So what we want to do is we want to open the application Python. We will include it in single quotes here. So now we have to give the absolute path to the URL because we want to run the script. So the absolute path will be like this. I will give it the absolute path here, and the script we want to run, which is app.py. So this is the bat script. So what we will do is now we will run this script to see this scripts work or not. So execute the script and you'll see the script works. Press enter again and the script works again. So now we are pretty much done guys. Now you can do anything you want because as you can see, you can open any kind of another program here. If you want to run, you can run Notepad also, like this notepad.exe. So whenever somebody opens the file, then Notepad will run. So if the application is Notepad, so Notepad will run also, but the message will also be sent. Okay, so yeah guys, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys want more videos like that, just subscribe the channel and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.